In this video, I want to show you how to assemble the whole unit and also some operational tips. Once you receive your package, and you will be, of course, this main unit and will be separated, and this 1 inch diameter rods will be separated, and plus the base, this base is 12 inch by 12 inch, has a knob in here. So once you receive it, you can insert this rod into this hole first, and then tighten it by this knob. Okay. Now, since I don't have the height of your container, so my original rod is only 20 inches long from here to here, so it may not be long enough. However, I figured out one way. I do have one small shorter piece in here, so in order to increase the length of this rod, and then you can put this short length of the rod in here, clamped here, and then there's inside some tubing here, so you can put this unit with a rod on top of that. So this is not permanently attached, as you can see. See? Okay. So if you really feel comfortable, and you can glue it, and glue this so it become permanent. All right. And now the next is you can increase the height this unit via this nut. So loosening it, you can move up and down. Okay. And going back to this, I have tested this without the permanently glued on here, and you still can do your press it down and with no problem. Again, if you want to go back to glue it permanently, and you're going to do so. The next thing is, of course, this is a power line you have to attach to a voltage reducing, and from whatever 240, 230 to this 120 volt US, and with adapter. Okay. Now the next things, I would attach some wire here, so you can just clamp it, this cable, so cable will not be in your way when you do this press up and down. Okay. Of course, let's go back to some operational tips. And now I have this called anti-rotational mat. You can glue it, not permanently. It's just using a double-sided adhesive. Okay, so stick to the back of this, and then put it here, and then the bottom side will attach to this base. This is temporary. Okay, and now next thing is let's give you some tips on how to do the I guess you already know how to change the different. Sorry, it takes a little long. All right. So this is 40 millimeters of attachment. Okay. So now when you want to exchange to the 21 millimeter, the one you're familiar with it, and you by pushing this up, so then use 2 fingers to push up the several things and release it. Okay. And then while this is pushing up several things, and this inserted inside. Okay. Okay. All right. And now this adjustable torque here. There's a small window. You can see it. Okay. When you turn counterclockwise to increase the number, when you turn this knob clockwise will be lower the number, the torque number. And for the 21 millimeter tube, usually I suggest it would be set up like below 3, but you have to do a real test, see how comfortable the torque you want. Now for the 40 millimeters caps, you want to set up right now it's about around 6, and then that will give you a comfortable torque amount. All right. Now, when ready to do this press down things, and you want to set up the height of this unit. That based on the when your container, put it on the top of the base. So leave it about half an inch, so give you a clearance to move in and move out. So that should be okay when you do the capping. Of course, you can do the decapping by press this one down, and when you press down to this bottom one, it will be on the capping. Okay. Now, if you don't want to use this press down, level press down functions, you can leave it as is, and then you know this is just the normal. You could do your capping as the first unit you have. Okay. All right.